In today's lecture, we are going to learn machine-dependent code optimization, in which the one thing is peephole optimization. So what is the meaning of peephole optimization? So there are many things. We will learn one by one. The first thing is that redundant instruction elimination. Redundant instruction elimination. What is that? Let's take an example. Suppose we have move R0 register A, or suppose we write like this, move A R0. So we are able to see that both are same, right? Both are same. So both are redundant. So solution for this is what? We write like same only. Move R0 A. This is a solution. Reduce the redundancy. This is one example. Another one is what? Use of machine idioms. What are they? If I is equal to 5 and we are doing move R0 I, then move R1 1, then we are doing add R0 R1, then we are doing move I R0. So instead of this, what we supposed to do? What we supposed to do? We need to write like this: increment I. Increment I. Because what we are doing? We are doing increment only. First we are sending I value, then 1, then we are adding, then again we are moving like this. So this is the solution for that. And another one thing is that strength reduction. Strength reduction. So in this we understand with the help of example. Suppose we are writing 2 into I. So instead of this, what we can write? 1 minus left shift we can write, and I by 2 is there, then how we can write? We can write 1 minus right shift, and if 2 into I is there, then what we can write? I plus I. What we can write? I plus I. So in that way we can reduce the strength, we can use the idioms, and we can reduce, or we can say eliminate, the redundant instruction in peephole optimization and machine dependent code optimization. And one more thing is also there, that is removal of unreachable code. Removal of unreachable code. So I am taking one example. Suppose we have defined w batch 0, and we are writing if w batch printf go to, else printf not go to. So here we are able to see that we have already defined its value 0. So why to define else condition? Because every time it will go to. So instead of this, so this is unreachable code, right? We are not going to there anytime, because we have already defined its value is 0. So what we will write? The solution is printf go to. We need to write only this line. We should not write this line. So this is all about for today, and in next lecture we are going to learn register allocation for machine dependent code optimization and use of addressing mode in machine dependent code optimization. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, comment below. Thank you.